Let's go do something.
Why? Where do you want to go? You want to go to the hot dog store?
Hot dog store? I don't want to eat hot dogs. I want to eat something else.
I like hot dogs.
You like hot dogs?
Yeah, I do.
Let's buy peanut butter cup.
Okay. Wait, is that the gas station far away?
Huh?
At the gas station.
It's far away.
Yeah.
We have to walk over there?
Yeah.
Let's go walk.
Okay. Do you have a car?
So I had fun singing in the car with my baby and behind. It's really hard to sing when you're sitting down. When I'm sitting down, I'm not the best singer, you know, but like some other singers can sing whatever position, I guess. But what are you doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You can't do that. Put your pants on. Put your pants on. Not like that. When you pee, you have to hide your thing. You don't pee in public like that. You have to at least hide your weebo. You have to hide it. You know what I mean?
I want to show you something.
What?
See these tomatoes right here? I planted them. Look. Come here. Look at this. Like 3 days ago, I saw two that were already red. They were ripe, and I took them and I ate them. And this is how we eat it. Okay.
Okay.
Like this one, you take it. Just take off the dust. Take off the dust and eat it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me just wipe it. Here, eat it. It's tomatoes. Mmm. You like it?
Yeah.
It's really good. Eat all of it. Eat all of it. It's really healthy. It's really healthy. Eat all of it.
I'm looking at something.
Oh no!
Sorry.
I'm gonna eat it. Man. Do you even know how long it takes to make this thing grow? I planted these tomatoes. They're not ripe yet, but I want to eat one. They're really good and they smell. You know what? I believe this, like the leaves, you can add them if you want to cook tinola or something. That's the Filipino. See, there's a lot. Look at that. That's so beautiful. iPhone camera is really good. Okay, I got one right here and I'm gonna eat it. It's really good. What are you up to now?
Playing.
This is our yard. Hey, we need to water the grass.